Natural and herbal remedies for constipation. Feeling bloated and uncomfortable? Constipation can be frustrating, but the good news is there are effective natural remedies for constipation that can provide relief. In this video, we'll share the best herbal constipation relief options and natural ways to relieve constipation using simple ingredients. 1. Start your day with warm lemon water. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning is a great way to kickstart your digestive system. The acidity in lemon helps stimulate bile production, which aids in digestion and promotes natural constipation relief. 2. Flax seeds. Nature's fiber boost. Flax seeds are rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, making them one of the best natural remedies for constipation. Add ground flax seeds to your smoothie, yogurt, or oatmeal to keep things moving smoothly. 3. Aloe vera, a gentle laxative. Known for its soothing properties, aloe vera is a powerful herbal constipation relief remedy. Drinking aloe vera juice in moderation can help ease constipation and support a healthy digestive system. 4. Senna, an effective herbal remedy. Senna is a well-known herb for its natural laxative properties. Brew a cup of senna tea as a quick and reliable option for natural ways to relieve constipation, but also avoid overusing it to prevent dependency. Warning: taking senna for a long time can cause an electrolyte imbalance, where levels of substances like sodium, potassium and magnesium in your body get too high or too low. A severe electrolyte imbalance can cause serious health problems. 5. High-fiber foods, the digestive ally. Fiber is essential for regular bowel movements. Incorporate high-fiber foods like leafy greens, carrots, and whole grains into your diet for sustained natural constipation relief. Don't forget to drink plenty of water to help fiber work effectively. 6. Stay active, move for relief. Physical activity is a simple yet effective remedy. Light yoga, walking, or even gentle stretches can stimulate your digestive system, making it one of the easiest natural ways to relieve constipation. Remember to eat meals at regular times, chew your food thoroughly, and stay hydrated throughout the day. These small habits can go a long way in preventing and managing constipation naturally. An important reminder: these natural remedies for constipation are intended for mild cases. If your symptoms persist, worsen, or are accompanied by severe pain or bleeding, consult a healthcare professional immediately. Thank you for watching. Here's to a happy, healthy digestive system. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural remedies and health tips.